so many good cameras on the market today, it's difficult to choose. These are 10 reasons why Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro can be a good choice in 2023. This video is now sponsored by Blackmagic Design. I'm Ruben and I love filming, music, all kind of music. Salsa, bachata, reggaeton. The Pocket 6K Pro has an excellent price. It currently sells on the Blackmagic Design website for €2,395. Do you need the EVF? Debatable, due to its form factor. Some people feel the necessity, I don't. Do you need a battery grip? Debatable. You can use one of these and have excellent results. Check this video here. Do you need a camera monitor? It depends what you do with the camera. If you use this camera to film others, you don't need one. But if you film yourself, you do. Nevertheless, this camera has a fantastic display, which I will tell you more in about a second. Good news is that you can use this camera as it comes out of the box. We all know that Pocket Cinema cameras have pro features regarding image quality. Deeper colors, higher image details, and an excellent dynamic range. Anyhow, 13 stops of dynamic range, which means they keep more details in the lightest and darkest areas of the image, and 280 ISO. 400 and 3200, which optimize the image while maintaining the full dynamic range of the sensor. Oh, and it has the Generation 5 color science as the high-end Ursa Mini Pro 12K. Well, actually, the Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro delivers an even more significant improvement in the image quality with more accurate skin tones. Yep, that's what I'm saying. This is a short one. You can record in BRAW up to 50 frames per second and 4K ProRes. And we all know what that means. We have tons of recording possibilities, either in ProRes or BRAW, from HD, Ultra HD, and 4K DCI using different compressions, to BRAW using two separate encoding settings, constant bitrate and constant quality. A large, bright 5-inch touchscreen display. That means you don't need an external monitor if you don't want to. It shows the status and recording parameters, histogram, focus peaking, levels, frame guides, etc. And you can quickly apply 3D LUTs for monitoring shots. The LCD monitor on the Pocket 6K G2 and 6K Pro is a more advanced display that can be tilted up and down. Hence, it's easy to monitor your shot from any position. Plus, the 6K Pro display has 1500 nits of brightness. This was one of the features that attracted me the most to purchase this camera. They're not perfect, as some people say. I personally never had any problems with them. They initially had some tint issues, but they were fixed later with new firmware. Having them, it's totally a huge advantage. Now, even though this is a relatively small camera, it has connections and ports such as full-size HDMI with support for HDR and clean 10 bits output, a 3.5mm microphone input, a 3.5mm headphone output, USB expansion ports, DC power, and two mini XLR input with 48 volts of phantom power for connecting professional microphones like this one here. All Pocket Cinema camera models include a full version of DaVinci Resolve Studio, the same software used in Hollywood. Now, DaVinci Resolve 18 is a significant release featuring, among many others, Blackmagic Cloud, Blackmagic Proxy Generator, simplified proxy workflow, intelligent media management, intuitive object mask, automatic depth map, etc. This camera features a USB-C expansion port that operates at up to 5 gigabits per second. It means that you can connect flash drives and SSDs for longer recording times. So you can shoot 6K in the highest constant quality 12-bit Blackmagic RAW in the Q0 settings, or at a high frame rates. And when you're done shooting, you can move the external disc to your computer and start editing and color correction from the same disc. This is another pro detail. It has a built-in timecode generator, allowing shooting with more than one camera while keeping perfect sync. You can plug an external timecode generator such as a Tentacle Sync into the 3.5mm audio jack, and the camera will automatically detect the timecode and lock the internal generator. This is awesome for shooting concerts with multiple cameras, for example. Best thing here is that DaVinci Resolve will automatically find and sync the shot from all the cameras. See what I mean? This camera has a built-in CFast and SD UHS-2 card recorder and a USB expansion port. You can use regular SD cards for HD or higher performance UHS-2, and CFast cards for native 4K and 6K when recording in B-RAW. ProRes and Blackmagic RAW files work with all video software. You can even mount the media cards on your computer and start editing directly from them using the included DaVinci Resolve Studio software. Okay, those are my top 10 pros and favorite things about the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema Camera 6K Pro. Do I love this camera? No. Do I like this camera? Yes. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Peace and love. Soul music, jazz, soul music, did I say soul music, classical music, soul music, funky music, jazz, kind of music. I'm getting emails and I shouldn't be getting emails. I don't know why I'm getting emails here. Bomba, plena, what else? Merengue, perico ripiao, salsa. Did I say salsa? Did I mention salsa? Anyway.